How's it going, guys? And welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. I've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Binance and how it's shutting down right now. I don't know if you guys know about this. I'm sure you do if you have been trying to log onto your Binance. If you are currently trying to do so, you can't. Checking out their Twitter right now, their guy has really come on. He's been really communicating very well about what's happening. He hit us with this tweet 5 hours ago. We are experiencing a server issue on our replica database cluster, causing some data to be out of sync. Need a fully sync from the master. Due to the size of our data, it will take several hours. No data is lost. We appreciate your understanding and support. So that's a really good thing to hear from them. Obviously, nothing is going to be lost, guys. So don't be freaking out. Don't FOMO. Don't get scared. You're not going to lose your coins. A lot of these guys are freaking out, saying, "Oh, are we going to get our coins back?" Blah blah blah. Let's check out some of their comments in this real quick. I don't want to write them one, but anyways, so what's happening is he's about 2 hours ago he said still waiting on data copy. It will take a while, another 10 hours at the current estimate. Due to the unexpected length of time, we will allow 30 minutes for people to withdraw orders before trading resumes within system is back. Okay, so it's pretty good. He's basically just saying, we're going to give you that grace period of 30 minutes to do your withdrawals and everything, just in case like a coin drops, because people are getting scared once they reopen again and everybody sells a coin or something and you lose your value. You can manage with that and stuff like that. But again, don't freak out, guys. The coins are still going to be there. They have to do their maintenance. If there's a problem, I'm glad that they're going to, tell us about it and that they're going to fix it. They're not just going to let it keep on going. So if there's ever an exchange that never goes down or it never has any maintenance or anything like that, that's when you need to be worried. At least they're working on it and making it a better place for us to exchange our crypto, safer, and just a better experience for all of us. So they're probably going to have a couple of times in the future from here on, and they've had them in the past where they just shut down and they need to do maintenance and make sure everything's working properly. If things are out of sync, that's going to cause a problem. That's going to make prices not where they need to be. They may be higher than where they actually are or lower when they actually are, and whenever you're trading, those things could be off, and that's going to upset a lot of people, and that can be a real problem. So I'm glad that they're taking the time to really get this done right. But that's pretty much all I have to say about it, guys. I was just trying to get this video out there real quick so you guys know what's happening. Don't freak out that your Binance account is going down. It's not too big of a deal. All your coins will still be there. Your information is not lost. Go follow them, Binance _ 2017 on Twitter to get those updates all the time. So you know exactly what's going on. Binance is obviously the biggest exchange that there is online right now. I use it, and everybody that I know uses it. Even if you like other stuff like Cryptopia or KuCoin and stuff like that, most of them still use Binance because a lot of the top altcoins are on Binance, and it's a really good place. The platform is amazing, and the app is really good. If you don't have the app, go check out the app. It was in Chinese before, but now they've recently, within like the last month, they turned it into an English version that you can use. So go check that out. And I'll cut this video short, guys. Go hit that like button, mash the subscribe. As always, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Do you think this is like a glitch or anything? Do you think some people are trying to say that they're hacking in there? Tell us what you think. I think there really is just that one little problem of the sync, and that they're just trying to get that fixed. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and also let us know how you're keeping up with crypto, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.